thank you so much for your support in our last vlog. Thank you so much.
Yeah, there is a lot of comments coming like take care of your health and other things. From,
we still have a few symptoms, but getting there. That's
Body pain.
Yes, just getting better. Not like, we're still tired, but
Guys, today we're gonna discuss about Zoe's the released movie.
Yes.
Hridayam.
Yes, guys.
Hridayam is a Malayalam movie which is recently released and it's running in theaters like really successfully. And Zoe has
She has acted a small role in it.
and she's done it really well.
Even if it's a small role, she has done it really great. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much, guys. I don't think any of us have gotten a chance to watch it yet because
Yes,
we're
guys,
all
this
far away.
movie Hridayam is acted starred by Pranab Mohanlal's son, and
Directed by Vineet Srinivasan. He's a famous director in Malayalam movie industry.
So hopefully we can watch it soon.
yeah, definitely.
Not released in OTT. We are waiting to get it released so that we can
And
watch.
all those Malayali friends are sending screenshots of Zoe in the movie and they're asking about Zoe from Life Designer.
Yes.
That is nice. And Zoe have acted in also a couple of other movies like
Yes, guys.
Anandam. Yeah, and
Yet
I don't think
there is
there
one
is
more
a- and a lot
movie yet to be released. It's gonna release.
Yes,
and it's reaching good heights.
Yeah, we are all blessing her. We'll reach more heights, so.
All the best.
So guys, today's vlog, we are going to show you guys Bora Caves of Andhra Pradesh.
It's
Whoa.
like another planet all together in it.
It is one of the most deepest and longest caves in India.
Yes.
Actually, the crystallines all are around 80 feet deep. It's
Yeah.
it's too deep, and it's one of the
most
deepest.
deepest.
I don't know how you will go through it.
And full is limestone deposits.
Yeah.
All of them.
And actually, when you go down, it's quite claustrophobic inside. Few of us had very
Yeah,
difficult.
it's less oxygen.
Yeah, it's actually a little hard to move on, but I could actually move. Yeah, the video is little lengthy, but please
Guys,
don't
must
miss
watch.
it.
Yeah, don't
Complete
miss it.
Watch
And guys,
completely.
the video is full of thrilling things, lot of
Yes, guys.
moments, lot of surprises. Please don't
Miss any
video, any part of it.
Yes.
And comments below.
And there was dark issues. All dark
Yes,
inside.
guys, the video is dark because inside the cave there is no much light. So
We are trying to
sorry
use our
about it.
flashlights.
But yeah, we have tried our best. Hope you guys will enjoy it. But so sorry for the dark footages.
There are light sometimes, there is no light sometimes. It's always
But it's really fun, guys.
It's really fun to watch.
Then let's go to it.
Yeah.
Bye.
So this is full of marbles. There is 100 feet thickness rock in between the railway line and this cave. This is actually looking like that alien movie.
Deep down, guys, this is the biggest underground cave.
Full of wonder, guys.
This is called as Swalt Line.
This is a place.
It's unexpected.
Come.
Come guys.
See, you have to go like that. You need to crawl.
Guys, if you make noise, bats will come, okay? It's actually really stuffy.
Can we reach somewhere?
Okay, finally.
We reached. I'm claustrophobic. Hey guys, welcome back to Life Designer. Guys, we are in front of Bora Caves here. So we're gonna go inside. What is special about Bora Caves?
Bora Caves, they have a lot of stories, guys. Last time when we went, I was surprised to see that in-depth caves and stories related to that.
Really?
And the funniest part is, I didn't know that I visited Bora Caves before. Only once I saw the place, I realized that I visited this place, and that's the most funniest and foolish thing.
Guys, we're on the way and we saw these boards here. Beware of monkeys. And guys, it actually came to snatch our GoPro, so we have to be really beware of monkeys, right?
It came for your cap.
It came for my cap? I thought it's gonna snatch the...
It's written everywhere, beware of monkeys. Okay.
It was, yeah.
There are monkeys everywhere. Take care of GoPro and bag and don't carry anything.
Man, naughty monkeys, guys. You can see a family of monkeys over there.
That is so cute. Everything by bag.
Guys, you can see a lot of circles here. These are supposed to maintain social distancing.
Actually, before when we came here, it's like very, very crowded place.
Uh-huh.
Even in ticket counter, until we walked there used to be. It's shown that William King, the British geologist, discovered on 1807, naturally formed and believed to be 150 years old. Oh my God, it is 150 years old. 150 million years old, guys.
Okay.
Naturally formed. William King. Naturally formed.
Okay, guys, so let's see the Bora Caves. So thrilled now. Okay, guys, this is an amazing view of a river here. So this is Gostani River, right?
Yeah, Gostani. Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is in the top of. We are standing on top of the Bora Caves. It's down there. So on the way, we are seeing this river.
Yeah. So guys, this river flows till Vijayawada, and before it reaches Vijayawada, it's not fresh water, but by the time it reaches Vijayawada, it becomes fresh water, drinkable water.
Okay.
So it gets filtered, and it is.
So you
pure in
guys
that
can
form.
see there's a lot of rocks over there, like white rocks. In between all these rocks, this water is traveling over there. So through sandstone, limestone. Oh, guys, all those white rocks are limestone, he's saying. And you can see this is traveling through the mountains, so it will be traveling a lot of kilometers to reach Vijayawada. So that's how we get fresh drinking water, is what our guide is saying. So we got a guide also along, because it is written that without a guide you won't be able to explore this area. So let's see how much he can give us information. Guys, actually it is not Vijayawada, it is Vijayanagaram, right?
It is Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam.
Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam. Okay, guys, we reached in front of Bora Caves. What the? Wow. Guys, this is so amazing. This was naturally formed cave, guys. This was around 150 million years old. This is a 150 million old cave. But this was actually found in 1978, is it? 1807.
Wow.
Okay, guys.
Man, it's going inside. No idea where to go. Getting down.
There is a lot of steps, guys.
Yeah, they made it steps also. For
Uh-huh.
maybe for the tourists, they might have did this.
Guys, there's a lot of tourists in this area. So let's see what is so special about Bora Caves. Okay, guys, we are inside Bora Caves and we saw this beautiful naturally formed hole over there.
And guys, this whole thing was discovered when a cow was fallen from the hole down.
Huh?
Yeah. So the shepherd was searching for the cow and he found the cow inside, and then how these Bora Caves have been discovered. So that's the story.
That's a nice story.
Yeah.
Discovered, right?
Yeah.
That's how. Yeah.
Guys, if you see here on this side, you can see a lot of formations of calcium, right? Calcium?
Calcium deposits.
Calcium deposits, guys. So he is with the torch, he is helping us to find where it is. So those all are calcium deposits. Okay.
This cave, trekking cave.
Okay.
This is nowhere, in the danger place. This side and formation, there's honeybees there, honeybees.
Okay, guys, he's saying there is no way there because there's a lot of honeybees, right?
Honeybees there.
Uh-huh.
This is and 1 kilometer cave there. Inside.
Okay, it is a 1 kilometer
This is
cave.
nowhere.
That is?
Uh-huh. Trekking cave.
Okay, guys, it is a trekking cave. It is around like 1 kilometers and there is a lot of honeybees are saying. So still people are trekking there?
No.
No.
They are not.
There is no way there, and these salt calcium carbonate formations will turn into different shapes, like in Shivalinga, Parvati, so many different kinds of shapes.
Okay.
Sai Baba there.
And there are few formations. He said he is gonna show.
He'll show us.
Oh my God.
I think there are a lot to go.
How did
Guys,
that happen?
This is so amazing. If you see. Wow. Man, these caves. This all are limestone, right? Okay, guys, there is some this cave formation takes a lot of years to do. So there is this water that will do some chemical reaction with these rocks and this take this particular shape. It is like that is how this cave was formed. So they have put some lights there, like a DJ light.
Yeah, it's kind of killing the natural look of it, but But yeah, something.
Yeah.
Jack way.
In behind you, it's like a party. You know, we're going into some DJ.
Imagine the guy who found this man. He would have been like jackpot. He's under it.
Bro, this is marble.
This is marble?
Yeah, blue and white
Blue
marble.
marble, white marble.
Oh my god.
Oh, a lot. So this is full of marbles.
Yeah.
From there to here.
Oh my god. Man,
This is so rich.
actually a combination of both. See the natural beauty.
Blue and
Whatever they are giving.
white marbles, guys.
Nice. I can see the thing.
Full of natural beauty, guys.
Wow.
Happy to see this kind.
Guys, Bora Caves, you have to walk a lot inside. There is
Some 1 kilometer. we need to walk.
What is he saying?
He's saying there are so many Telugu movies shot here, like Jambalakadi Bamba.
Jambalakadi Bamba.
Yeah, that is a movie name.
Huh.
Jamba Bamba place.
Lot of Telugu movies have been shooted here, like Jambalakadi
place where
Bamba,
you
Atiloka Sundari,
Shivalinga.
Jagadeka Veerudu, Atiloka Sundari,
Uh-huh.
Bala Ramayanam, very old movies. Lot of them have been shooted here.
Guys, it's so dark here. Really sorry.
This is the natural formation, natural Shivalinga. Here one drop water coming.
Oh.
This is the name Kamadhenu.
Okay. Guys, this is a naturally formed Shivalingam.
This is scientific
And-
stalactites and stalagmites.
Okay.
Stalactite coming down,
Okay.
stalagmite coming up.
Okay.
This is one
Stalamite. Okay, these are the stalamites coming up and down.
Uh-huh.
And there is one stalamite right up of this one, which is they are calling it as Kamadhenu. It's giving water droplets
To Shivalinga directly.
Uh-huh. Okay, so which one can you torch? Can you put it?
That one.
Oh, guys, that is that one.
Which is down, and this is stalagmite.
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 Is that a chemical or is it
It's
water?
like there will be hangings down from the caves on top of caves.
Uh-huh.
That's what it is.
spiky.
They
Okay.
will be up and
So there will be drop of waters falling into the Shivalingam. Nice. Itself.
it's naturally.
Okay, it's a slow pillar formation here.
Okay.
Also a stalagmite. And this is called as Jalashila.
Jarasila, this is the name
Jalashila.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jarasila.
Whoa, man.
So good.
Bro, there is sound coming from somewhere. I think there are a lot of insects.
Cricket sound, no?
Crickets, insects, bats.
Wow, guys. I think there's a lot of bats and crickets and small insects, guys. Guys, I think there are a lot of other caves also. You know? See over there. So beautiful. This is the natural.
They should have not kept these yellow lights.
If they should have kept a white light, would be fine.
A yellow light.
Yellow lighting.
Or they should have had like,
What?
they should have organized like,
What is this?
What do you think this is resembling?
It's like a coral reef.
This is like a brain.
Brain formation. Shit.
At the center of the Bora cave, this is the special attraction.
Okay, so guys, this is the brain of Bora Caves. Guys, you can see it over here also. These all are rocks, Bhaiya.
Where is this water coming from?
Guys, this water
Calcium
is
carbonate.
coming from here,
What's over there? From upside.
upside.
Kondalanchi from mountains.
From mountains, directly water is coming down.
Yeah. Oh my god, so interesting.
That's nice. And this is all again calcium carbonate itself.
Uh-huh.
White, but this
Actually, I like the formation out the nature created,
patterns,
like a brain.
even there you can see
Yeah.
the continuation of
So wherever this water falls, I think it ripples and creates this pattern.
calcium carbonate reacts with water and humic acid, and it will form different kinds of forms. Guys.
Okay. Wow, man. Guys, we can see our shadow there. It's a long way to go. Let's go.
The start.
It's actually a little bit scary when it's dark. See, because you can see the whole cave, which is really dark, and we don't know if it's how deep it is.
Everywhere there is no light.
And guys, there is this things that I've done by other tourists. Eo was reading one of those like it is a manuscript or something.
It's okay.
I think here also there will be.
Our voice is echoing from here.
Yes, guys.
This is top there, one cave there. This is the first cave.
Okay.
Here
First
second
cave.
First
So guys, here we have not only this cave, but there are number of caves here, different number of caves. Where he is putting the torch now. Around that is the first cave.
First cave.
Yeah. And where
What
we-
all animals? Anything lives
Anyways,
there?
no, this is
Crickets,
and,
bats.
These and bats there.
Bats are there.
only bats, and there is no way to go there.
Uh-huh.
And where we are standing right now is the second cave.
Okay.
And there is one more cave right there. This
Okay.
is the third cave.
Third
So
cave.
there is water coming from that cave.
This is come this way, coming this side.
So that's coming from there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Showing you way from where is it coming?
Yeah.
Okay. What is that?
This is railway line there.
Okay.
So there is
East
a
Coast
railway
railway
line
line.
just above that installation, guys. Just
Oh
above,
wow.
Feet
above the
thickness
cave,
rock.
there is a railway lane.
There is the railway line.
Railway line going. The top
Oh.
Okay, we
God.
can't see it, but
Will it fall down like if the railway vibration?
Railway line vibration no.
No vibration.
100 feet thickness.
oh, 100 feet thickness.
rock.
Oh.
100 feet.
Guys, there is 100 feet thickness rock in between the railway line and this cave.
That's so nice to hear. Hear the vibrations also.
How is the water coming? So then how is the water coming?
Oh,
Water 70 feet down. Okay. Here is tiger shape line there.
Yeah, it's a time.
Guys, there is a tiger shaped cave here. Sorry, tiger shaped rock. Okay, guys.
We'll go down.
Go down,
It's actually
coming
really
down.
dark.
Yeah, this is marble again.
No.
Marble stone.
Okay.
marble stones.
Huh.
Bro, there is some marble stone they used to store here.
Light one time.
Bro, these are marbles. This looks like, bones.
Yeah.
Human rib.
Arabia. Our shadows are covering.
Yeah. Guys, this look like human bone. This is marble, right?
Yeah.
Wow. I can feel the smoothness of marble. here.
So cold.
Here also, like elephant.
Elephant.
No. It looks
Yeah.
It's like Dracula mouth. You know.
Dracula mouth. Yeah. What else you guys feel?
What about these formations? I don't know what.
Wow. I can. Bro, this is all marbles.
I don't know. Everything is
Limestone,
polished.
sandstone. Oh wow, this is wet.
This looks like a gooey.
Bro.
Like jellyfish.
Oh, this is actually looking like that alien movie. And the slime of the alien is here, and we're like, ah.
But this is.
But this is a beauty, man. Wow.
See this, bro.
I think it's dripping.
Holy shit.
Oh Lord, what is that?
I don't know. This looks actually like alien planet. This looks like an alien planet.
Jellyfish, guys.
Guys, look at, we are going inside this. We'll have to.
Everyone can imagine anything. Oh, it's a narrow way.
Yeah.
We're using our flashes.
Guys, here we can see a lot of the same alien formations.
Where? Bro, they're Ganapati. Yeah. See,
Where is?
They're there. Looks like Ganapati.
It looks like an old saggy skin.
Oh my god.
That is Ganpati, and where is Shiva and oh,
Sorry, see. It can't look.
bro, where is? Guys, that is Shiva and Parvati. That structure there, which is naturally formed, and on the other side there is Ganesha structure, right? That one. Okay. Wow, this is looking like an alien planet. This is all looking like roots of a tree, right?
Like, it's forming weird structures. Like, everyone can make their own assumptions.
Uncle, it is shining now.
Shining it is and silicon deposit.
Silicon deposits, guys.
Silicon.
Because of silicon deposits, the stone is shining.
This looks like
Shining
diamond.
those silicon
Oh my
deposits.
god.
Wow.
Let's take a piece and go to.
Let's sell it and see if we can get it.
Wow. Guys, there's another small way we are going inside. Guys, there is all this water, wet. I think still water is wet surface and water is still flowing, and you can see this weird, we were seeing this soft things, and now we have started seeing this, you know, irregular surfaces, very rough surfaces, and again this smooth surfaces.
It looks like under the sea, the seaweeds, right? Corals.
It's actually
Bro, one guys, this is actually a very big cave. Huh?
Underground big cave.
Underground.
Big cave.
Is this having any record like this is the biggest in India or something?
200 feet down.
200 feet.
underground cave is 200 feet down, guys. This is the biggest underground cave.
Okay.
Oh my god, can we go there?
Guys, we can hear a lot of crickets. Yeah. Guys, you can see a little bit of light coming in from that. I think it's from outside.
Yeah, there's a hole there.
Okay.
You can hear the bat.
What is that?
Mother and child formation.
Guys, he's saying it's a mother and child formation, but okay.
And that is the elephant leg.
Elephant like, yeah, that looks real. Guys, that looks like a huge, you know, elephant. See?
Dinosaur shape.
Wow.
Dinosaur shape.
Oh, these are all dinosaurs shapes, guys. Oh yeah, it's a dinosaur.
Oh shit! It's like a, what is it? Receptor.
Receptor for citus.
Ah.
That veg-eating dinosaur.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
The tall neck wala.
Yeah, that is
Does this
veg-eating.
look like an eagle?
It looks like a turkey for me.
Something on those lines.
Like a skeleton shape. Yeah.
Skeleton shape.
Looks like a turkey skeleton. It looks like an evil turkey.
Guys, they're randomly guessing things here. Don't feel offended or anything.
And crocodile shape.
Crocodile shape.
Here crocodile.
Guys, crocodile over there. Guys, there's a lot of bats here. Guys.
Light just disturbed
Yeah.
Are we able to record this properly?
Wow. Lot of bats, guys.
Oh my god.
Guys, this is actually, how much is the height here?
200 feet down.
Guys, this is a crown formation. Wow.
Go and keep our head.
It's like a shawl there, thing, you know?
It looks more like an apron. Like.
Uh-huh. And somebody big with that much big head can fit into that helmet. He will be the king of this place. It's like the secret sword.
Yeah.
Guys, these looks like eagle wings.
How it is?
Guys, over there, it looks like mermaid. It looks like a ghost for me from Conjuring, you know, with the bed sheet.
Correct, bro.
Yeah.
I will say it's more like Conjuring than a mermaid. I support you so much.
Guys, this is eagle wings. He's saying. And there is this little bit of, you know, water in this area. They have put a balcony. What is this? Rails here.
I actually thought it's an underground. It's that deep.
It's not that deep, I guess. I think it's just a drop of water that is coming from the top of the mountain is getting
I just saw
collected
the
here.
reflection and mistook it. I thought it's something down there.
God, how is it? Do you think it's an eagle?
It can be anything. It can be any plants, flowers, anything. There are a lot of things. Even I can see there is a steps over here.
Oh, guys, there is a step, bro. You're brilliant.
Thank you.
Where?
Top Amarnath Shivling.
Huh.
This is parrot.
What is those things?
Amarnath Shivlingo, parrot shape.
Guys, that is Shivalingam.
Mushroom
And that is carrot or parrot?
Parrot.
Parrot shape.
Mushroom shapes.
Mushroom shapes over there, guys.
Dinosaur-
Guys, you might not be able to see it
dinosaur
properly. When we go near only we'll be. I think here from it's really blurred. Even we are not able to figure out. What is it?
Dinosaur.
3 dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. It is 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, 3 dinosaurs there.
Mushroom shapes. Amarnath Shivling formation.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go to next. Walking on. Whoa. There's a lot of it, guys. This whole cave is full of wonder, guys. Oh, guys, this is what he's saying is joining the two mountains.
Naturally joining the two mountain, guys. And this is called as fault line. As per what he's saying, this natural joining is called fault line.
In a scientific term.
Okay.
Oh my god.
That's nice.
That's nice.
This looks like crack.
Crack on the mountain.
That scared me. Guys, this rock looks like, you know, coffin. Can you see that? Can you light? Can you light?
What? It's a mummy.
This look like what?
Coffin.
My light is not reaching there.
Guys, this rock looks like coffin. Bad lighting.
Chedu, oh.
What, Gandhiji?
Chedu Vinaku, don't see bad, don't listen bad.
Oh yeah. Guys, those are the three monkeys, you know.
See no evil, hear no evil, talk no evil.
Okay.
Hear no evil, see no evil, talk no evil.
Speak no evil, sorry.
Speak no evil.
Okay, these three monkeys resemble speak no evil, listen no evil, and see no evil, guys.
No evil,
Hear
no evil.
How many times should I hear that? I should not have.
Basically, eyes closed, mouth closed, and ears closed. Those
Bro,
kind of
we have to make it quick, we have a lot more.
Wow, guys, this is a beautiful visual over here. Wow. Guys, this is absolutely stunning, beautiful experience. I really wish we could change the light, but the light is also giving a different feel, like, you know, but still it's actually a stunning natural, you know, wonder. So guys, he's showing us something. Let's look at it. What is it, bro?
Bro, here he's explaining two eyes and a nose. See? Nose? Yeah.
That's a nose.
These are two eyes and that in between.
Big eyes.
Okay, and that is another eye.
Yeah, two eyes, yeah.
This is a fish.
Oh my god.
Fish.
Oh, it's a fish tail. That I liked it.
Oh my god.
It looks like a Darth Vader or
So
some
was
kind
saying
of
that it's under eye bags. Dark eyes.
dark eyes.
It should be bigger.
Pathetic.
Well done.
Okay. Danger, Anna. Guys, this is so dangerous. Let's go and figure it out. There will be very low light. I hope we will be able to capture it.
Small cave.
So guys, there is a small cave. He told he'll take us inside. Actually, we are all crawling and we'll have to go over there.
Crawling cave, it's
Crawling cave. Oh shit.
you can't go.
Come slowly.
Guys, we might suffocate also here.
Okay.
Yeah.
There are bats, guys.
Okay.
Oh, there are bats.
It's okay. Come.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, don't hit your head. Very careful.
Come slowly.
Okay.
How are you guys doing there?
I am crawling.
Quick. Oh my god. How long is it? Shit.
Whoa.
How long is the cave?
Okay.
Oh my lord.
I think we reached.
Guys, there's a lot of bats here.
Come slowly.
Yeah.
It's slippery.
Don't fall, okay? Yeah. Your bum is gonna come on.
Light. How is it?
This is getting
Oh my god.
Oh man. You can do it. Come on. Go.
Go.
line is stopped.
Okay.
Come.
Bro, there is a lot more to go, okay?
Okay.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Slowly come. Come here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, can you ask how long?
This is a claw place. Exploring.
We are there.
Oh,
Come.
This is a crawling exercise.
Access.
Bro, you should sleep now. Wait.
Anna, avrige light illa.
Yes.
I have this bag and I'll hide. So please be careful and
Guys, we were not equipped for such a hike.
What is this? This wasn't expected.
Yes, it's not. It's unexpected.
Come.
Come guys.
Doing this, guys. Only we are doing this here.
Yeah, we actually.
I didn't do this generally.
Okay. Anna.
I didn't do it.
Okay.
There are bats,
Guys, if you see, there is 2 caves, one over there, one over there. I think he is gonna take us into the smaller one.
This is so small. Bat kids here. See, you have to go like that. You need to crawl. Oh my God.
Things in my hand.
Yeah.
One person go and then we can take the shift the item.
One by one, okay?
One by one coming.
Yeah.
Shit.
Head?
Yeah. Very careful.
Very careful.
I'm not fit.
Back is nice.
Oh shit.
I think
Guys, if you make noise, bats will come, okay? There's a lot of bats here.
What happened?
There's a lot of bats. If you scream, bats are gonna. Guys. Anna, light. Guys, it is actually very. Anna, light la. It's actually really. You have to crawl here.
Crawling exercise, taekwondo exercise here.
One so coming.
Oh,
you need help.
One by one.
no, I'm okay.
Bro, the thing is, I have this bag and I can't crawl.
It's actually really stuffy.
Can we reach somewhere?
Are you able to come?
Almost. Don't worry. Slowly.
Bro, this is actually getting suffocated.
And all those things.
There's bats. I saw big bat there.
Oh my God. Okay, finally.
Yeah.
Oh
Anna, can you keep this?
Yeah.
There is more to go.
More to go? Oh God.
We reached.
The frog pose is a good one.
Oh, nice. But I won't fit inside that.
Guys, this is actually suffocating and you need to crawl properly. Otherwise, you'll hit on the rooftop.
Catch my phone.
Okay, wait. Ouch.
This way go.
Okay, we got the light.
One by one.
GoPro. Everyone came?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
One more person.
Done, bro, done. Oh my God. Okay, done. Everyone are here, guys. There was a very narrow space. Now we are going to the opening of this cave.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Careful, don't. Oh, there are bats.
bats here.
There are no snakes here, no?
There are more people coming? Yeah. Okay, people do this.
Okay, everyone will do this.
Nice.
Okay, I should keep my barefoot or should I?
I think barefoot will be better.
Barefoot will kill your leg.
Careful. If you slip.
Anna, light.
We don't know which way we're gonna come, so.
I can do like this, like an elephant.
Who have the bag? Who have the Drix have it. Give me, guys.
Almost there.
I'm actually in a bad position to move from here.
Take the camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, careful. We're on.
Can you put light here because camera is dark? Okay, yeah, that is fine. Guys, it's actually really.
Somebody need to carry this.
Give it to me. Yeah. Bro,
You can pass it.
You can. You say anything?
I'll get it.
No. Now I can.
Yeah, you can go with the camera.
Oh my God, how I fit inside this?
Oh my God. Another light, yeah.
No, light.
How is it?
oh, I'm still crawling.
Shit, how much?
Oh my God.
Oh shit, I just hit my head.
I hit the light head twice.
Light.
It's, yeah, there.
Okay, look at EO coming, guys.
I don't have.
Gray reached. What?
Yes, I am.
Oh my God.
Oh. I think this flash is running out of battery.
Yes.
Finally.
Thank you. Bro, I need to breathe.
Anna, avarku light. It's okay? Lit is doing a brilliant job here. Resh is okay?
I think she's a little claustrophobic.
Oh.
Claustrophobic. Ow.
What is that?
Catch my phone. Just pass my phone there.
Did I hold it?
I hope I've not scraped it enough. I mean, scraped it. Not
Scratched.
the phone.
Guys, we reached. We are able to stand.
Now show everyone's hands and legs.
I hit my head twice, guys.
Oh God.
Really? Yeah, I'm fine.
Guys, let's explore this. So guys, we came to the first floor. Second floor.
First floor, second floor.
Second floor of this cave, guys. So that is where we came. That was down. So we climbed all the way here. Okay guys, how was it?
Actually, in between, I'm checking, bro. Because I'm weak and in between, I was like, where to go? I stuck in between and I was like coming down.
Oh my God. I hit my head a lot of times and I just reminded of taekwondo exercises.
It's like the best exercise.
I think taekwondo is better, guys. But
You might fall there if you go a little
I
back.
almost did slip earlier. I did
Come here.
But yeah, this was quite.
There is only one way, but that is so narrow. I tried to go other way, but that is too slippery. There I tried to
How
come
was it,
to other
Vish?
way.
She's claustrophobic.
Bro.
It's really as if I was put in a coffin and like someone was stepping on that.
Oh shit, that was.
For me, but you better now.
You did it, bro. Great job. How about you?
I feel proud to be short for the first time.
Yeah, actually, she's fitting everywhere, not like us.
I had no problem of going through any space.
What?
It is actually
Lucky girl.
Advantages
Guys, here we have an amazing view.
there.
This is where we came from, down there, and now we can see. I think we can almost touch the top.
Yeah, we are on top of this.
Shit. Bro, there are people climbing from this.
From here. People will. But yeah, you didn't say this. Look at him. He's like, okay.
I just almost died, and then I see people coming from the other side.
Guys, there are people climbing all the way here to the.
This is unfair.
His expressions are priceless. How could you do this to us? Yeah.
He was like, I've been translating to these girls, not understanding this cave properly. Okay, but yeah, it is a good job what you did.
When we go down by climb,
We got something adventure here.
Yeah, actually that climb is only one way. Like,
it's the only.
otherwise the people who is coming there, yeah.
చూడ్డానికి వ్యూస్ హిస్టరీ
I don't have a breathing problem. I don't think they can survive here.
I have a bit.
Is your oxygen level okay?
No, she's okay.
Oxygen is okay. Get lost here. I mean, before this was like all done, people might have just got lost.
Uh-huh. Guys, actually they lighted up. It looks like a disco, you know, it's like some Goa. I don't know what to say. I've seen it in movies. You know, have you seen Scooby-Doo movie?
Yeah. No.
Have you seen that?
Yes.
Yes. Only few people would have seen that. Careful, these rocks are slippery. Yeah, very much.
Okay.
Shit.
Guys, this is a monkey. It's actually wet. Yeah. And either water coming from that. Oh, guys.
if you can observe, it looks. Where is this up stalagmite? There is right down stalagmite, right up to that.
Okay.
Even for Shivalinga, we have a right up. There is one stalagmite coming down.
Okay.
So up and down.
I think this is that water which is shaping the whole rock.
Yeah.
Wow. You can even see the deposit here. Can you light it?
I'll do it.
Guys, see the deposit here? It's actually creating patterns like this. That is how this.
Calamite, guys.
Yeah, we can see this pattern that we saw to the brain before. Wow, beautiful structure, guys. It's all wonders inside this cave, man.
Yeah.
It's all wonders. Okay, somebody will have to help me.
Can you ask him? So if these structures were formed because of these water droplets,
I'm not able to.
Hold. Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
Come on, get up.
No, I'm stable. no, I'm stable.
No, so Drixia, can you just translate? If these were formed.
Yeah.
Okay, Bhaiya.
And you're talking in Hindi now?
Sorry. I'm so confused after the crawling incident. Anna, so if this structure is formed because of these droplets, do they, I mean, as more droplets keep forming, do they change shapes? Will they change shapes eventually or what?
What this is into calcium deposits.
They will, right? Huh.
No, not now. ఈ వాటర్ పడుతున్న ద్వారా మనకి షేప్స్ ఫామ్ అయినాయి కదా, ఇప్పుడు కూడా పడుతూ ఉన్నాయి కదా.
ఇప్పుడు రావదు.
ఇంకా చేంజ్ అవ్వు. It will take loads and loads of years like the evolution.
Okay. He's saying it will take a lot of years to change that shape of that particular rock. Right now it's monkey. It might change to some other thing after. Yeah.
Oh my god.
1 million.
We will, in our next life, we'll say one more monkey there, guys. Not in this life. Will happen. Another thing we'll say in our next life. It will take that long time. Anna, వెళ్ళిపోతాం అయితే కిందకి వెళ్దాం.
తీసుకుని వెళ్దాం.
He's not believing what I'm
You
saying.
okay? Nice. Hi guys, I love it. Actually, you know, these walls should be open to rock climbing.
I think we did a lot of
Yeah. Guys, this cave should be open to rock climbing. It would be a very, very big tourist spot, right?
Even if you have a rope or something, we can climb up and. I want to go that center of that place. But how fell down?
What? You want to fall down?
No, I want to go there. Want to see outside.
Oh, guys, this is no way. So, our guide is taking us through these.
our guide is adventurous guide. yes, I like her.
We chose
So we have a simple way. He took us through the adventurous way, guys. I don't know, when he asked back, he's like not saying anything and smiling at us. I don't understand what that is.
Go. This also with the light. Okay. These people are.
Please.
Light.
Yes. Repeat the same process.
Nice. Flash away.
After that, I think this is very simple.
That was the
Oh wow. Now where is next adventure?
I'll hold the.
The. Bro. Oh. Yeah, we are going back to another location.
And fish mouth. Fish
mouth.
Fish mouth.
Oh my god.
Mouth.
Oh, okay. So right. Guys, we are going back from this cave to the next one. Actually, it's a lot to explore. Temple.
We are going to the temple, guys.
Bro, inside this cave.
It's a heart shape here. Wah, I found it out. This.
ఏనుగు తొండం.
Oh, this is
Elephant trunk.
elephant's trunk, and this is snake opening its head.
A lot of snakes coming and
Standing like
How?
this
cobras
shape.
like this.
Nice.
Like this.
I don't know how to explain.
Bro, how our guide became our friend.
Come.
Guys, only one head will fit here. I don't know what is this guy saying. Oh god. Guys, there is this steps here.
Shell formation.
Guys, there is a
Shell formation.
in the form of a shang, right?
Yeah, Shang. Anna, light.
Shang. It's a shang.
Yeah.
It's a shell.
Actually, this is the one which looks like Shang.
Shankar formation, guys.
Guys, it's also dripping here. It's a live cave, guys. Whatever structures you are seeing might change in years. And there is a way here. What is this? Brusha. Anna?
Anna, this way.
Found a new explanation.
What?
That is a snake.
Which one?
The male, the one that's coming from there.
Snake.
And this is a jellyfish. They're friends.
Jellyfish.
They are friends.
They're talking to each other, kissing. I don't know.
Oh
They're
yeah.
talking,
Oh, jellyfish and snake is speaking something.
Oh my god.
Okay, but actually looks like they're
What is this inside this?
Yeah.
Let's go,
It's
guys.
actually really looking sci-fi for me in some point.
With the lighting also.
Lighting also sci-fi.
Okay.
Hey guys, we have to climb all this way and there to reach that cave, guys. Let's go. So there is a temple there. Huh. 1 hour is over. Guys, we have a lot more to climb. Yeah.
How you guys are climbing up?
I have no idea. Oh guys, we climbed half of this and look at little. Everyone is sitting there. Whoa. There was my lighting changing, right? Guys, there is that pacha light. Green one, blue one. Yes, our guide is here. Let's start. Anandam.
It's very steep steps.
Hmm.
See this? I wonder how they created these steps here. You go up and come back.
Bro, there was a drop of something fell from here. I think it's from that cellar? What is it? Stalagmite. Bro. Very steep. Whoa. Stunning view from here, guys. Oh shit. Zoe and Resh is coming. They said they're done. Oh shit. Okay.
Shiva temple, guys.
This is the temple.
Okay. Yes. Correct.
What is it?
Gudi Ganta. Ganta in the bell. The bell kind of.
Bell shapes for the temple.
Yeah.
It was naturally
This is the
formed
Shiva.
temple.
And this is the Nandi.
Okay.
This is the
Nandi
Shiva.
artificial, Shiva natural.
Okay. Shiva
Nandi.
is natural.
Nandi is artificial.
Okay, okay. Shit, this is formed naturally.
Oh, guys.
Okay.
Look at the view from here.
Bro, we can see all
Oh,
these
shit.
shapes in one
Yeah.
here.
Shit.
I am done, guys. I'm
Actually,
done.
we can touch the top of the cave, guys, from here. If you fall from here, done.
This is the top one. Huh?
Oh god, this is alien shit.
Alien shit.
Alien shit? I don't know about that. Alien shit? Okay. You never know, it might be okay.
Huh? Guys, that look like a buffalo or a goat, you know, with horns, and that's the face of a buffalo, right? No?
Yeah.
But yeah, you can say to the next tourist comes, that's a buffalo head. Bro, I think there is treasure in this caves. One of the cave,
Dig up all
which is not explored, is full of gold, diamonds and platinum rocks. You know that? Bro, do you know there is few caves that is still not explored?
There.
You know,
That's not explored
it is full of gold, platinum and silver stones.
Let's go.
Why
Yeah,
didn't no one explore if they know?
because nobody knows.
Only you knows.
No, even I don't know. Who knows? Who told the story? Guys, we reached in the mouth of the cave. Wow. Bro, this cave mouth looks like Moby Cave.
Mobile Cave, yeah.
Yeah.
Like Mobile Cave. Mobile Cave is the other planet in the earth.
Uh-huh.
It's like an alien planet in the earth. Almost similar to this.
Yeah.
Then
It
this
there.
is the Mobile Cave 2 Alien Planet on the Earth Part 2.
No, Moby Cave is even more advanced. There is different type of, there is
And
no
people
oxygen.
can't live there.
Yeah.
At least this have oxygen, but in that there is no oxygen, people will die. They need to carry oxygen.
That is also naturally formed, and
Yeah.
it's known as another planet
And
on
there
Earth.
is different kind of animals because it's that much dark.
Okay, guys, here's one more site is there. Guys, we are going to see where the cow fell from there. I'm pretty much sure it died. Right?
Yeah. Guys, this is one of the viewpoint, guys.
Viewpoint.
Yeah.
Cave viewpoint. Bro, our guide is so cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, guys, this is the viewpoint.
I understand why is it
Oh my god. Because we can view the cave, so it is a cave viewpoint.
Guys, this is where the cow came. I think it thought it's a well.
Yeah.
Allah.
Yeah, and then this fell down.
Yeah, I thought it's a well and came for, water, and it just fell.
You can see the cow's soul here. It's still here. The soul of cow.
That's so creepy.
It's like because of you
It might have fell.
One hole is there. Can you see that?
Yeah, over there.
It looks like our ancestors lived there with some fireplace, lived for a few years and then excavated that place.
Oh,
Oh my god, early humans.
Imagine, bro. Actually, that would be
yeah, exactly. Man, this is an amazing, wonderful, place.
That's it.
Oh my god, we're done with the Bora caves, guys.
We're done with
We're done. We're going back.
That's it. Yeah, this is best for adventure.
Yes,
If they
guys.
create like that, and it is the best.
Actually,
cave, I will
yeah.
say.
If they can do it like a best adventure, this would be the famous place in. Like, look at these rocks. They could have actually done a rock climbing here and a zip line from here to that viewpoint.
It will be amazing. Tourism will be.
Yeah.
Everyone is there?
Yeah. Natural plus like modern, adding modern elements, and everyone can visit. Even if there is a zipliner, imagine everyone going through it and rock climbing.
People of all ages could like.
Explore, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wow, but it's a natural beauty,
Yeah, that's also there.
Even without that, also the natural beauty is
So good. What is your favorite part, bro, about this cave?
I like the crawling. Guys, I like the crawling bit. The funny thing was our guide was didn't tell us there is a way, shortest way, and Resh.
My favorite part was when we asked him to smile that he gave. Priceless, guys.
No, he knows that there is a way.
But he was nice, yeah.
Guys, you might have not seen his face in darkness. We'll show it to you guys.
Just smile at you, nothing else.
Okay.
Guys, we're going back. Getting back to our car.
Guys, this is Anandra, our guide today.
The adventurous guide we go to on the way. He is the one who made our trip funny and also like
This interesting.
Anna, can you smile once more like
అన్న మీరు ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ ఇలా ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ నుంచి ఇలా చెప్తున్నారు గైడ్ కింద ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్
గైడ్
నుంచి
ఇప్పుడు 40 అయిపోతుంది 49
around
Oh my
45-50 years he's been there.
he has been a guide from last 50 years guys
In Bora Caves.
yeah in
Anna, you are living here. Food ella inge.
లేదండి ఎక్కడ తింటారు ఫుడ్ మరి
he's saying there is no food and all those things oh my god
How do you have lunch?
Near temple.
Okay.
Mostly near temple.
Genjanam guys rice with that rice water he will have the same thing
And he have one daughter and one son. His daughter is in America. She's already married and she's living in America. And his son is in Delhi. He's studying for IAS. So all the best.
Yeah. All the best.
all the best guys
All the best.
Me,
బాబు పేరా బాబు పేరు కుమార్ రాజు
Kumar Raju.
పాప పేరు సునీత మా ఆవిడ పేరు శకుంతల
Okay. His wife is Sekuntala. Guys. Amazing family. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. Bye. See you.
so good you're so adventurous you took us through all the places so
Anna, bye. Bye. Thank you. Okay, guys. That was Bora Caves right there. Now we're going out. So, yeah. You all done?
yeah
Guys, there's a family of monkeys here. I think it's a monkey fight happening from home to home. Whoa. Yeah. That shopkeeper is showing them off. How was the Bora Caves?
Bora caves were so good interesting and yeah lot of amazing facts.
We did it, guys. I thought I'll be stuck somewhere in between and we should call a rescue team.
The natural formation is quite amazing.
Uh-huh.
I don't think I've ever visited anything like this, so that is really, really nice. but I think they could have probably had better lights or something.
In my mind was a hole going
But it was underground.
but this was way different from that. I feel like going through the trainway that he said.
Oh,
They said
which
there
was
is a
above the mountain.
100 feet above.
Guys,
the
actually, I didn't like that lighting part. It can be more natural lighting instead
yeah.
of giving that blue light. That's what I felt it, and I don't think
we
it
can
will
give
be visible
natural
in
light
camera.
There is no lighter.
At least white light will be enough for.
Or at least they can give, you know, visitors one helmet with the torchlight.
Oh my
Yeah,
That's it.
that will, and it's too dark inside, and it will feel like a nice excavation.
Yes.
And maybe a separate place for all the ordinary people to see this kind of things also.
It's better to
Yeah.
have darkness. Yeah, what you said is correct. Better to have darkness, then it will be more adventurous.
Oh my god. Actually our guide is so funny, guys. And obviously a lot of things he explained us and the temple actually the linga was naturally formed and all those things. And the surprising thing is the stalagmites, wherever they come down, parallelly down they are coming up.
Ah,
Yeah. So
I think it's a deposit, you know,
repeated,
it
yeah.
dripping and depositing in the ground.
might be. So it repeated 2-3 times, so that's what I observed.
I think it's there. A lot of stalagmites are there.
So which are placed just above or below each
Guys,
other.
over here there is a lot of shops. You can see
Mainly bamboo chicken.
Bamboo chicken is
bamboo
famous
chicken.
in Araku.
A lot of stalls, right?
I think because of not season, there are a lot of shops which is closed.
Closed.
Yeah.
And you can see
You
it's
won't have proper
empty stalls.
also. When this is the season, you won't have proper
It will be crowded, right?
And proper there you should stand to buy tickets.
Ah.
Those are those social distance circles drawn.
That we saw before.
Until there you have to stand for tickets. Why do they do that in the roads? Why should people work like that? That much it should be crowded.
Then this was a good time for us to visit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not crowded.
Guys, we reached the parking.